start speeding through town now.
Yeah. Don't worry, the cops all know that.
Hey guys, it's Mike at Narcoleptic Customs. Today, we're with Rusty Baird here in Mountainburg on his 53 Chevrolet truck. It's got a 4.3 complete S10 drivetrain and chassis and everything. And he basically daily drives it, so it's part of our daily driven vintage series. So let's get started. Guys, so this is a 53 Chevrolet truck. It's been put on it's long bed S10 chassis. So it's got all the fuel injected 4.3. It's got the 5-speed from the S10, seat from the S10. So this is exactly what we want to do with stuff. We want to take old cars that look awesome and make them drive every day. And I feel like fuel injection does that. You know what I mean? Because anybody can get in this. If you've driven a manual S10, you can drive this. Yeah. It sits low, super cool looking. It sounds good. It's straight pipe, so it's got an old 6-cylinder feel. That's too awesome. Man, that's a hell of a backdrop. String out of the way. That's cool. All right, guys, meet Rusty. Rusty, meet everybody in the world on YouTube. Hey, so tell us why this truck?
I learned how to drive in one of these trucks.
Really?
Yeah.
That's
where
cool.
I learned how to drive a standard was in one of these trucks in my grandpa's field.
That's awesome.
So it was all original, straight six.
Wow, that's cool. That's cool. And how did you come across this truck?
A buddy of mine in Fort Smith had it. So I was like, I had to have it once I've seen it.
Now, you sold a car and didn't have a project at that time, right?
Yeah.
So Rusty without a project is a bad idea. Yeah. He's gonna find something. And I mean, I think since I've known you, I've probably seen you in 8 or 10 different cool cars like this.
Yeah.
That's awesome. So you bought it. Have you done anything to it since you had it?
No.
Man,
just driving it.
That's awesome. So it's 4.3 fuel injection from the S10, just like I said earlier, 5-speed from the S10. Yeah. I mean, basically they took an S10, put this truck on top of it,
put
and
the body on it.
Roll on. That's great. That's great. So any future plans for it, or you just gonna drive it?
I'm wanting to redo the interior, do the interior perfect inside.
Oh, that'd be awesome.
And then, leave the outside
like it is.
Like
it is. That's how I like stuff.
Yeah, that's the way I'm.
Creature comforts, all the nice stuff. Yep. That's awesome. So how many times driving this truck, when you go to the gas station, throw gas in, how many times do you get talked to?
Oh, everybody there.
That's awesome. That's awesome.
And that's kind of the fun part of it, meeting new people.
Yeah. sure I don't kill us here. Alright, we're alive. So what's been the most fun of owning this one?
We've had it in 2 parades so far. Christmas parades.
Yep.
I love driving old cars.
Yeah.
It's in my blood. I'm addicted.
Well, and the great thing about driving old stuff is like, that's what you get known for. You know, that's what I keep thinking with the shop is like, if I could get back to daily driving the old truck, you know, we'd end up in a situation where we build stuff like this for people, you know. There's as much room in this as a regular cab, probably more room in this than a regular cab S10.
Yeah.
It drives great, man. I like it.
This thing go 80 mile an hour down the interstate.
What?
You never know.
Cruise along.
Yeah.
I mean, you're driving an S10.
Yeah.
You know? Wow.
I got another parts truck at my dad's, so I've got all this nice chrome stuff for the dash.
Oh, sweet.
And all that already.
Holy jeez. This thing drives so good.
I know it. That's what I was so amazed when I went to take it for a test drive, you know, before I traded it. I'm like, God, I gotta have it.
I mean, it's smooth. I mean, you know, it's funny. I guess it's just an S10.
Yeah.
But I mean, like, but it's not. You know, you're in a 65-year-old car, you know, truck, I guess. That's cool, man. It's really quiet inside, you know. My right ear still hadn't popped, so maybe that's part of it, but I mean, I don't notice anything. Speeding through town now.
Yeah. Don't worry, the cops all know that stuff. We have another guy in town, an old man that drives an old 4-speed top loader Torino that's got a 427 in it.
Jeez.
And he's got a nitrous bottle stuck in the back of it.
Oh my God.
He's like 70 years old, and he'll hit that button in front of the house, you know, every now and then.
This is the coolest one so far. The Duster's really neat, but this truck is really, really cool, man.
It's unique.
Oh yeah, well, and it's so cool in the fact that like you can get in it and go anywhere.
Yeah.
And that's y'all. That's what Rusty builds. I mean, he doesn't just build cars. He builds cars to drive.
Yeah.
So that's awesome. Well, dude, thank you for taking us on this. I really appreciate it. I'm going to give you guys a sneak peek of another car that we're going to do here in just a minute. All right, guys, just want to say thanks to Rusty for letting us do that. That truck is super, super cool. I really look forward to all the neat stuff that he comes across. But right now, we're fixing to do the Edsel. So subscribe to the channel to keep up with what's coming. See ya.